Hello everyone, it is Prodigy from Critical Chefs here, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to bypass Shopify sites when they're dropping a shoe or a release. You could bypass the queue. One thing you're going to be needing to use is you're going to need to have Google Chrome installed, and also if you want to join our free cook group down below, I'm going to link that in the description, and let's get on with the video. This bypass works for most Shopify sites such as Kith over here and other Shopify sites if you want to give it a try. So the first step you want to do is just search up Chrome Store and just click over here and you could just search up autofill. You're going to need an autofill after you bypass after you bypass to the checkout page. So you could just click right here, add to Chrome, add extension, and then it will pop up here. To access your extension, you could just press this little icon and you could press pin if you want to just pin it right here, make it a little easier. Next thing you want to do is go on a Shopify site such as Kith, and you're going to just want to pick any product and add it to your cart. Press checkout, and you're going to be generating the autofill rules. I'll show you how to do that in order for when you bypass the queue, you could easily have your information already filled in. So what you're going to do now is just fill in your actual info. I'm just going to put random info. Let's just pick this one, and then we'll put a random phone number. But you guys are actually going to put your real phone numbers and information. And then what you're going to do, you're going to come up here. You're going to just press generate autofill rules, and then it's going to say done. And then you could continue to shipping. Select continue to payment. You can select the shipping. This loads. Okay, calculating taxes. It's going very slow right now. All right, so what you're gonna do now is also fill in your real credit card info and your name on the card and everything like that. And then save my information. Okay, and make sure you don't check out. That's very important. Make sure you don't check out because you don't want to actually buy this item. This is just to fill in the autofill. So what you're going to do is press this again one more time and press generate autofill rules, and then it's going to say done again. And then what you're going to do now is you're going to bookmark this tab, so the next time you're going to check out a limited release, you could have a bookmark you could just click to put you straight to the checkout. So what you can do is press bookmark this tab, and you could just name it something like Shopify bypass or something like that. Done. And this bookmarks tab is not there, so you want to come to bookmarks and then show bookmarks bar, and then you're gonna have it right there. So the next thing you're gonna want to do is just remove the item from your cart because we just had that item in the cart in order to generate the bypass link and the autofill rules in order to have your information filled in. So you could just load up when the release is happening. You would load up the page quickly, of course, and you would add it to cart, and then instead of pressing checkout, you're going to press the Shopify bypass thing that we made, and it will bring you straight to your cart, and it should bypass the entire queue that you would otherwise have to wait in. And it should have your information already filled in if you did it correctly. And yeah, that's about it. And thanks for watching.